Masters is been enabled by Telangana Tourism Department to conduct this whole drone festival. So in this drone festival, it's happening in 2 days. So on the first day, we are having different races, which is basically competitions. First is a drone race where 8 different teams are going to fly their drones in lap format. So it is similar to an F1 car racing theme, but in the sky, where for every lap the drone goes and it gets more upgraded and it goes back to race. So today we have qualifiers and also semis. Tomorrow we'll be having finals for the same race. Similarly, one such race we're having is the drone soccer, where a drone acts like a soccer ball in the sky and it will be put into goal posts. So that's one race that's happening, and the finals for that also is happening tomorrow only. Apart from that, on both the days we are doing RC plane air show, where you'll be finding big RC planes which are lit with LED lights flying out there. They'll be attached with color smoke guns and also fireworks. So that would be an amazing show to watch because it's beautiful. And tomorrow the highlight of the event is we'll be ending the event with a drone show, where we will be we have built a story of the beauty of all the tourism spots in Telangana for people to know and for people to raise awareness among the people. So that's the highlight of the show, and it's going to be the closing event for this whole festival. And this is something that's happening for the first time in India in a pretty huge way. About 10,000 people have registered within 2 days. So that shows that Telangana is a very progressive state and everyone is a tech enthusiast.